Alright guys, what's up? So, this is my new shed. This is my 8x12 shed I got from a guy on, I think, Craigslist for 400 bucks. First thing you notice about it, I'll show you the outside in the daylight, but I want to show you the nighttime because of the point of this video. First thing you notice about it is all this, what looks like white paint. It's actually like a peach paint. I was actually going for a paint that's closer to the wood grain, but that was way off. I am not good with color. Anyway, so all of this paint you see scattered around was where there was random graffiti all over this. Apparently the guy who owned it bought the shed brand new from the dealer and gave it to his son-in-law or son, not exactly sure, and then they sat in it and graffitied it up, and I really wish I'd have took a picture of it before I cleaned it out, but it was covered in garbage. You can kind of see a lot of the dirt from where the garbage had just kind of stuck to the ground. I had to actually clean it off. So they also had apparently mounted a TV terribly because it would have been hanging, you know, below the level of the, oh, I didn't put it up there, but whatever, they're idiots apparently. But and also they had also knocked out this window, so I had to replace this window. So 400 bucks for the shed, a couple $100 to move the shed, new window, still a steal. This is a $3,000 shed normally. So yeah, or 25 to 3,000. So yeah, not bad. And the outside, pretty pristine. I did have to replace the handle because they had broken off the handle somehow. I don't know how they did it. It doesn't matter. Alright, so the point of this video, the lighting situation in here. I'll try to do this without blinding you. Alright, so that light, that light, going over to outlet, going down behind here, and that's where effectively goes outside the shed to the basically an RV outlet. So this shed is not wired into the house at all. You basically run an extension cord out to it, plug it in, good to go. I didn't have to bury any line. I really didn't want to. But the nice thing about the way, I like the way I wired it, is I can run an extension cord out here, plug it in the outside of the shed. I've got an outlet, I've got lights. I'm doing like long projects. I can obviously put more outlets in here if I wanted to, but this is all I really needed. This is for a flip house, so I wasn't really worried about making it too awesome. But if I don't want to run the extension cord for like long projects, I just want to come out here and grab something, I got this. Alright, that, and I'm going to turn off the lights in here. You can see it is not that bright. But you know what? It's bright enough for me to come out here and grab something if I need to. This is a little LED. If you follow the cable, it's just extra cable. The thing's supposed to hang a lot lower. If you follow the cable, it goes out and goes outside to a solar panel. So this is a solar panel battery light. And yep, just stores energy during the day and then works as a perfectly good light at night. And I'll give you an outside rundown of this shed in the daylight. Just want you to see how bright it is at night. And look, it's not outside. And yeah. Alright, stand by for daylight. Alright, here we are in daylight. See my shed. And it's that solar panel I was talking about up there. Actual batteries encompassed in that. And altogether this shed's not in bad condition. And since last night I've also added a couple features. TV, because why not? Watch some TV while I'm doing stuff. A ladder hole complete with lock. And a security bar, which I got from eBay. The whole thing cost me like 40 bucks for the security bar, but keeps people from breaking in. Anyway, here's what I was talking about right here. Off of there. All right, so got here standard receptacle. Right there. All right, nothing much going safe. Standard extension cord runs from the house, goes to here. Actually, I usually just leave this unplugged from both the house and just leave the extension cord laid out when I need to. But if I want to sell this shed, everything's already pre-wired. Just got to run an extension cord to it. Don't have to bury any cables unless you want to, but that's a whole separate thing. I'm not going to talk about that. Anyway, yeah, good purchase. Oh, this is the old window they busted out that I replaced. Anyway, all right, y'all have a good one.